Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Page of Wands, Eight of Swords, and Seven of Wands. So, Gemini, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are doing a lot, maybe making a lot of efforts, struggling in something, maybe trying to do things for the best for you in your work or in your relationship, trying to handle in your situation in a better way, guys, Gemini. So you are someone who is really a reliable person, trustworthy and honest to your intentions. So you are truthful to the people around you. So you, whenever you take up something, you go the distance, do your best, try your best till the end, guys, to make it a success. And today in your situation, guys, maybe in this relationship, you have some confusion, some doubts, maybe you are doing so much, you have sacrificed a lot, but today there are some things happening in this relationship. Some confusion or doubts may be there in your mind about this person. And for some of you, you may be dealing with some kind of sickness. Maybe this person is sick or someone is sick, someone close to you. So you are taking care of this person. So a lot of things on your mind, guys, Gemini. Lot of things are happening in your circumstances, and it is simply draining you. You are running around and you feel really helpless. You need to do so much. You are the one who needs to do or who needs to handle this circumstance, guys. And that may be the reason you are really sick and tired of your situation. And maybe in this relationship also there is a lot of confusion, doubts on this person. Maybe you hear something about this person. So it may be a rumor or a gossip, or is it the truth? So you do not know what is the truth today. So these gossips cannot be ruled out, you feel, because you hear it from someone reliable, and you feel in your heart of hearts that you cannot trust this person. But you are in double mind, guys, the way this person is, the way they are with you. You feel that you can trust them and they will never betray you in any way, Gemini. But with these cards, Gemini, I feel that this person is faithful and loyal to you, guys. You can trust them, and there will be people who will come forward to help you clear your doubts. They will tell you what this person is. Maybe they are really good, but for some reason there are these gossips and rumors about them. But you need not worry about these gossips or rumors, guys, you hear about this person. You can trust this person, Gemini. That is what I feel. And in your career situation, Gemini, you are making a lot of efforts. You have a lot of things you need to do, but you should not forget that your hard work is going to pay off very soon, guys. So you are going to see success very soon, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment, and rejection that you felt. And you, instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced, and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship, and maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it, because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind, and be positive today, and that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you. They are just hurt like you, and they are here to help you, maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And no matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation, or wherever it is, guys, you are you are a very compassionate person, and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys, and you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties, and you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills, and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others, so that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance, or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.